This video is about how to embed an Interact quiz onto a Leadpages landing page. So the first thing you want to do is log in to your Interact account and then click on Share and Embed for the quiz that you want to embed. Click on Embed Code and then switch to JavaScript. And this will auto resize the quiz based on the device that your quiz taker is on. Toggle, if it's not on already, toggle on the auto resize and also toggle on use custom embed size. Change the width to 1500 and then click copy code. Head over to Leadpages and open up the landing page that you're wanting to embed the quiz on. If you don't have one yet, click create new page. I want my quiz to only appear on this page so people don't get distracted. So I'm going to type blank in the search and then click start building. Now I'm going to name the page, and this is my nutrition quiz. Hit continue. Then you want to click on widgets and drag and drop this HTML widget onto the page. I'm going to hover over this and click the pencil icon, and I'm going to paste in the embed code. The code starts with div right here, and so the quiz stays centered no matter which device your quiz taker is on. I just want to insert my cursor here, press space, and then paste in align equals, in quotes, center, and then hit save. You can see that the custom HTML is saved, and once you click on preview, you're able to see what the quiz will look like or what the landing page rather will look like to your audience. You can preview this for the phone, for a tablet, and for desktop. Once it's ready, hit publish and then publish the page. And that is how you embed your Interact quiz on a Leadpages landing page.